Hey, you came here because you want to know one of the most essential bass patterns that you should have for soul, pop, rock, especially, but it really fits in all kinds of music. I'm going to show that to you right now. What's good? If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. Listen, before we get into it, I'd also love to have you on my mailing list. So go to grooveschool.co, get your free course, and join the Basshead family. Listen, here's this pattern. Now, if you're familiar with what I like to call hole-in-the-wall music, you've heard something similar to what I played a second ago. But check this out. This is related to the major tonality, the major sound, that be the major scale or the major pentatonic. What I was playing at the start was in this major tonality. When I say that, I mean major, the major scale, or the major pentatonic. I was playing in the key of G. And here's a major scale, right? Here's another way to look at that major scale. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to look at the major pentatonic. So the root, the major second, the major third, the perfect fifth, and the sixth. Expand that. So root, major second, major third, perfect fifth, sixth, octave. The pattern that I'm visualizing here is the root, the fifth, and the sixth. Now, what I was playing in the beginning was going between the G and the A chords, and I was just playing the root of A, back to G. But that is going to come up so often in a lot of different things, and it also is, can be a device for improvising as well, right? Let's expand that major pentatonic. We know that sound. So if I just groove on that G, all I was doing was playing notes that are related to that G major pentatonic vibe. Now, where did I get the vocabulary to play the things that I played? That comes from listening. If you saw the video up here where I talked about practicing, those little devices and licks and things like that I was playing come from things that I've listened to, environments that I've been in, vocabulary that I've picked up along the way. So we could talk about the major pentatonic scale all day, and you'll just play the scale, which has its value. But your goal, my goal, I would assume, is to make some music out of that. So what do? You have to pick up some vocabulary. Okay? Now, I'm going to leave some links below where you can hear bass lines that are really that use that shape quite often. Language, everything that I just played is directly related to what I just showed you. I'm gonna leave some links below. Sorry, I went on a tear there. I'm gonna leave some links below for some songs that I want you to kind of listen to and listen for that sound. Okay, it's a sound. And those are the ingredients of the sound. So whenever you're playing, like if you use your first finger as sort of the guide dog, right? There's that D major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use your first finger to kind of guide you. I know this video is quick and it's, just want to give you a little nugget. That's a shape that you should have under your fingers. So if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and the bell for notifications. Too many people watch these videos and don't subscribe. It hurts my feelings. So hook your boy up and check out one of those videos over there while you're here on the channel. All right? Peace. Two fingers.